To query Uniswap SDK setup via API, start by understanding the basics of Uniswap and its SDK. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that facilitates automated token swaps on the Ethereum blockchain. The Uniswap SDK is a set of tools that allows developers to interact with the Uniswap protocol programmatically. First, you need to set up a project and install the Uniswap SDK. You can do this by running a command to install the required packages. Once installed, import the Uniswap SDK into your project and set up a provider to connect to the Ethereum blockchain. Next, create an instance of the Uniswap SDK and specify the chain ID and provider. The chain ID is the identifier of the Ethereum network you want to connect to, and the provider is the connection to the Ethereum blockchain. After setting up the Uniswap SDK, you can use it to query the Uniswap protocol. For example, you can use the SDK to get the price of a token, get the liquidity of a token pair, or get the reserves of a token pair. You can also use the SDK to execute trades and provide liquidity to the Uniswap protocol. To query the Uniswap protocol, you need to use the API endpoints provided by the Uniswap SDK. The API endpoints allow you to retrieve data from the Uniswap protocol, such as token prices, liquidity, and reserves. You can use the API endpoints to build applications that interact with the Uniswap protocol. Best practices for querying the Uniswap SDK setup via API include handling errors and exceptions properly, using caching to reduce the number of requests to the API, and using a reliable provider to connect to the Ethereum blockchain. Additionally, make sure to follow the Uniswap SDK documentation and API guidelines to ensure that your application is compatible with the Uniswap protocol. In summary, querying Uniswap SDK setup via API requires setting up a project, installing the Uniswap SDK, creating an instance of the SDK, and using the API endpoints to retrieve data from the Uniswap protocol. By following best practices and using the Uniswap SDK correctly, you can build applications that interact with the Uniswap protocol and provide value to users.